Welcome to my YouTube channel Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Imply. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Employees. Project description is you work for a clothing distributors that has the location, and you will use the data and logical functions to complete the main employees data sets. Use the database function to calculate key summary statistics and use the financial function to complete a loan table. So we move to the main project step, and total step is 19. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start a Excel download and open the file name exp25 Excel chapter 7 ML2 implies grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the exp25 Excel chapter 7 ML2 implies. So question number 1 is complete, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in the data worksheet column D contain the city each employee work in. You want to display the stat. Make sure the data worksheet is active. In a cell G7, insert the switch function to evaluate the city store in the cell D7. In this sequence, switch does for a lava st pulse for the and for a Washington use the mix reference for the state name in the range A2 to A4 and copy the function from a cell G7 to the range GA to G39. So make sure to the data worksheet active. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the data worksheets, and next is in cell G7 insert the switch function. So select the G7 in the stat column and insert the switch function. So type is equal to type the switch functions, and next is switch function to evaluate the city store in cell D7. So next select the D7 in the city, and next is type inverted commas and those minus. So type inverted commas and minus, and next is type inverted commas, and next is select the A2 Nova and apply the Ch07 reference, and next is type the st dot pure, and next is in cell A3 apply the Ch07 reference, and next Milky Way. Type inverted commas and next A4 apply the Ch07 reference and close bracket and press enter. So switch function D7 and type inverted commas A2 and st minus st not whole type inverted commas a3 and milk wake and a4 and press enter. So next is use the mix reference for the state name in the range a2 to a4. So select the a2, apply the absolute reference, and a4 is absolute reference, press F4 button and press enter. So next is copy the function from a cell G7 to the range G8 to G31. So copy the range G8 to G31. So question number 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is column C contain the actual hire date for the employees you want to extract only the year in column H. In cell H7, insert the year function to extract the year from the hire date in cell C7. Copy the function from the cell H7 to the range H8 to H31. So insert the year function in cell H7 and extract the year from the hire date in cell C7. Next, copy the function from the cell H7 to the range in H8 to H31. Select the H7. Next, go to the Excel worksheet and select the H7 and insert the year function. So type is equal to and type the year function, and next in cell C7 close bracket and press enter. So result is 2023. So result is 2023, and next is copy the function from a cell H7 to the range H8 to H31. So next is copy the function H8 to H31. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is next you want to determine how many years each employee has worked for the company. In cell I7, insert the yearic function to calculate the year between the first employee's hire date and last day of the year contained in cell C2. Use a mix reference and copy the function from a cell I7 to the range I8 to I31. So insert the yearic function in cell I7. Next, go to the Excel worksheet and select the I7 year employee and insert the yearic function to calculate the year between the first employee's hire date and the last days of the year contained in cell C2. Use the mix reference and copy the function from a cell I7 to the range I8 to I31. So insert the yearic function, select the I7 and type is equal to, type the yearic function, and next in yearic function to calculate the year between the first employee's hire date and then last day of the year contained in cell C2. So select the C7 is the hire date, and next C2 apply the absolute cell reference and close bracket, press enter. So result is 4.3. Make cell reference, and next is copy the function from a cell I8 to I31. So copy the function I7 to I31. So copy the function. So use the make cell reference and copy the function I7 to the range I8 to I31. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. You want to determine what day of the week each employee was hired. In cell J7, insert the weekday function to display the day of the week for the first employee hire date, and copy the function from a cell J7 to the range J8 to J31. So in cell J7, next go to the Excel worksheet and select the J7, and J7 insert the weekday function to display the day of the week for the first employee's hire date. Copy the function from a cell J7 to the range J8 to J31. So insert the weekday function in the hire date weekday column. So type is equal to and type the weekday function to display the days of the week of the first employee's hire date. And next is select the C7 is the hire date, and close bracket and press enter. So result is 4. Insert the weekday function in cell J7, display the days week for the first employee's hire date, and next copy the function from a cell J8 to J31. So copy the function J8 to J31. So question number 5 is complete. So question number 5 is complete, and next we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, we move to the question number 6. The value returned in the range J7 to J31 are whole numbers. You want to display the result as the actual weekday name and format the range J7 to J31 custom number format DD. So format the range J7 to J31. So copy the range, and next go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range, and next add the custom number format TT. And the custom number format, go to the Excel worksheets and go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the customs and click OK. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, employees are scheduled for a 6-month review based on their hiring month. In cell K7, insert the edate function to identify the month that is 6 months from the first employee hire date, and copy the function to the range K8 to K31. So insert the insert the edit function in cell K7. So next in cell K7 insert the edit function. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the K7 and insert the edit function. So insert the edit function to identify the month that is 6 months from the first employee's hire date and copy the function to the range K8 to K31. So type is equal to and type the edit function and next select the C7 hire date and type 6 close bracket and press enter. So result is February. And next is copy the function to the range K8 to K31. So copy the function K8 to K31, K8 to K31. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is we move to the question number 8. You next task to calculate the bonus for the first employee. If the employee's performance score is greater than or equal to 4.5, the bonus 3000. If the performance scores 4.0 and is 4.9, the bonus 2000. If the performance score 3.0 to 3.9, the bonus is 1000. No bonus is given. If the performance score below 3.0, in cell L7 insert the is function to enter the bonus based on the performance score for the first employees. Use the respective score stored in the E2, E3 and E4 for the individual logical test. Use the respective bonus in a cell F2, F3, F4 and return the correct bonus. If none of the logical tests are true, the result should be 0 and use the mix reference and copy the function to the range L8 to L31. In cell L7 insert the if function. So select the L7 and insert the if function. So type is equal to and type the if function and next insert the if function to enter a bonus based on the performance score for the first employees and use the respective score stored in cell E3, E2, E3 and E4. So insert the if function and next performance score in cell F7 and next type is equal to and select the E2, apply the absolute reference and next in cell F2 is the bonus column, apply the absolute reference and next type comma and type the end function and next F7 is equal to E3, apply the absolute reference and next type the F7 less than E2, apply the absolute cell reference and close bracket. So close bracket, type comma in F3, apply the absolute cell reference and type comma and type the and function and next F7 is equal to E4, apply the absolute cell reference and F7 less than E3, apply the absolute cell reference and close bracket, type comma and next F4, apply the absolute cell reference and F7 less than E4, apply the absolute cell reference, type inverted commas, close bracket and press enter. So result is 2000. Copy the function to the range L8 to L31. So copy the function L8 to L31. So question number 8 is complete. And we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, we move to the question number 9. Management decided to give an equity salary adjustment for the representative who earn less than 18,000. The salary adjustment 2% of the current salary if the conditions are met. In cell M7, nest and function with the if function if the job title representative and the salary is less than the minimum representative salary in cell C3. Multiply the salary by 2% cell C4. If both conditions are not met, return a 0. Use the mix cell reference cell C3 and C4. Copy the function from a cell M7 to the range M8 to M31. So insert the if and function in cell M7 and if the job title is representative. In cell M7, let's go to the Excel worksheet and select the M7 and insert the if and nested and function. So type is equal to and type the if function and function if and function and next B7 is equal to type inverted commas and type the representative. Representative, type inverted commas and next select the E7 is the salary column and next less than C3 the minimum rep salary and apply the absolute cell reference and close bracket and next E7 select the E7 multiply by C4 apply the absolute cell reference, press F4 button and 0, type inverted commas, close bracket and press enter. So result is 0 and next is copy the function from M7 to the range M8 to M31. So M7 to M31. So question number 9 is complete. So next is copy the function from a cell M7 to the range M8 to M31. M7 to M8 to M31. So question number 9 is complete, and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, the last column of the data worksheet is to calculate the future value of retirement investment based on the first employee's monthly salary 5% per for year 2 at a 3% in cell N7. Insert the FV function. Use the variable in the range N2 to N4. In the FV arguments, the rate is the APR divided by 12 months in the year, and the number of payment period is the number of year multiplied by 12 months in a year, and use the mixer reference. Make sure the function and return the positive result, and copy the function to the range N8 to N31. In cell N7, insert the FV function. Next, go to the Excel worksheet and select the N7 and insert the FV function. So insert the FV function in cell N7. So type is equal to, and so next is insert the FV functions and double click, select the FV function, and next is cell N2 is the 5%, and apply the absolute reference divided by 12, and next N3 is the hash of year. Apply the absolute reference, multiply by 12, and next minus N4 is the percentage of salary. Apply the absolute reference, multiply by E7. Apply by E7 and close bracket and press enter. So next is copy the function to the range N8 to N31. So copy the function N8 to N31. So question number 10 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Implies.